Imagine a vast library filled with billions of books. You want to find a book, but the library has no organization. It's overwhelming. This is the internet without algorithms. Algorithms are the librarians of the digital age. They sort through the chaos and help us find what we are looking for. YouTube is like a giant library of videos. Every minute, hours of video are uploaded. It would be impossible to navigate without help. That's where the YouTube algorithm comes in. It sifts through the content and tries to show you what you'll find interesting. The YouTube algorithm is a powerful force. It determines what videos we watch and shapes our online experience. Understanding the algorithm is important for viewers and content creators. They need to know how to reach their audience. Join us as we unravel the mystery of the YouTube algorithm. YouTube is a global phenomenon. People watch over 1 billion hours of video every day. They come to laugh, to learn, to be entertained. The sheer volume of content is staggering. The YouTube algorithm acts as a filter. It helps us navigate this sea of content. Without it, we would be lost in a sea of videos. The algorithm's primary goal is to keep us watching. The longer we watch, the more ads YouTube can show us. This is how YouTube makes money. At the heart of the YouTube algorithm is the recommendation engine. This is the part of the system that suggests videos to us. It's what makes YouTube so addictive. The recommendations are personalized. They are based on our watch history, our likes and dislikes, and even our comments. The recommendation engine uses machine learning. This is a type of artificial intelligence. It allows computers to learn without being explicitly programmed. The more we use YouTube, the better the recommendations become. The algorithm gets to know us and starts to understand our tastes. This can lead us down rabbit holes of content or trap us in filter bubbles. Machine learning is a branch of artificial intelligence. It allows computers to learn from data. Think of it like teaching a child. You give them examples and let them figure out the rules. Machine learning algorithms analyze vast amounts of data. They identify patterns and make predictions. In the case of YouTube, the data is our viewing habits. This data is used to train the machine learning models. These models power the recommendation engine. The YouTube algorithm collects a lot of data about us. It tracks which videos we watch and how long we watch them. It even knows when we skip ahead or rewind. All of this data is used to build a profile of our interests. The algorithm also looks at the videos themselves. It analyzes the titles, descriptions, and tags. By combining our viewing history with information about the videos, the algorithm can make surprisingly accurate recommendations. This personalized experience is what makes YouTube so engaging. It's also what makes it so addictive. The algorithm is constantly trying to keep us watching. The use of AI on YouTube has had a profound impact. It has changed the way we consume video content. It has also changed the way creators make videos. For viewers, AI has made YouTube more personalized and engaging. For creators, AI has made it more important than ever to understand the algorithm. Creators who can optimize their videos for the algorithm are more likely to be successful. However, the use of AI on YouTube also raises concerns. Some worry about the algorithm's power and its potential to create filter bubbles. These are valid concerns, but it's also important to recognize the benefits. AI has made YouTube a more powerful and engaging platform. Every click, like, and comment you leave on YouTube is a breadcrumb for the algorithm. It gobbles up this information to understand your preferences. Think of it like a detective piecing together a case. Each interaction you have with a video is a clue. The algorithm uses these clues to build a detailed picture of your tastes. The more you use YouTube, the more data you provide. This allows the algorithm to fine-tune its understanding of your preferences. It's a continuous feedback loop. You watch a video, the algorithm learns, it recommends a new video, and the cycle repeats. This data-driven approach creates a personalized viewing experience. Your watch history is arguably the most powerful piece of data the algorithm uses. It reveals your interests with startling accuracy. The videos you watch, and how long you watch them, paint a vivid picture of your tastes. Imagine you stumble upon a video about baking bread. You find it engaging and watch several more videos on the topic. the algorithm takes note and starts suggesting more baking-related content. This is watch history at work. The algorithm has picked up on your interest and is now catering to it. This can be incredibly useful, helping you discover new creators and explore different niches. However, it can also lead to a self-reinforcing cycle, limiting your exposure to different perspectives. While watch history is a major player, it's not the only factor influencing your recommendations. The algorithm also considers your likes, dislikes, subscriptions, and even the comments you leave. Liking a video sends a strong signal to the algorithm. Disliking a video tells the algorithm to steer clear of similar content in the future. Subscribing to a channel is a powerful endorsement. It tells the algorithm that you're invested in a creator's content. Even your comments provide valuable data, revealing your thoughts and feelings about a video. The algorithm analyzes this information to refine its understanding of your tastes. All of this data, your watch history, likes, dislikes, subscriptions, and comments culminates in your YouTube profile. This digital representation of you is constantly being updated and refined by the algorithm. It's the key to unlocking a personalized viewing experience. The more complete and accurate your profile, the better the algorithm becomes at predicting what you want to watch. This level of personalization comes with a trade-off. The more the algorithm tailors your experience, the more likely you are to be confined to a filter bubble. Understanding the power of your profile is crucial for navigating YouTube effectively. It empowers you to break free from the filter bubble and explore the vastness of YouTube with greater awareness. The YouTube algorithm is not static. It's a dynamic system in constant flux, adapting to your every interaction. This constant state of change is driven by a feedback loop. You watch a video, the algorithm learns. It recommends a new video based on what it learned. You watch again, and the cycle repeats. Imagine watching a video about gardening. The algorithm registers this action, noting your interest in the topic. It then recommends another gardening video. If you watch this video too, the algorithm becomes more confident in your interest in gardening. This feedback loop is essential for the algorithm's learning process. However, this loop can also create a self-reinforcing cycle, limiting your exposure to other types of content. The YouTube algorithm is a work in progress. Google's engineers are constantly tweaking it, trying to improve its accuracy and effectiveness. They experiment with new signals, adjust the weighting of existing ones, and introduce new features to enhance the user experience. One way the algorithm is refined is through A/B testing. Different versions of the algorithm are shown to different groups of users. Their behavior is then analyzed to determine which version performs better. This constant refinement is necessary to keep up with the ever-evolving landscape of online video. As new trends emerge and user behavior changes, the algorithm must adapt to stay relevant and engaging. At the heart of the YouTube algorithm's objective lies a simple goal: maximize watch time. The longer users spend watching videos, the more ads YouTube can show and the more revenue it generates. This underlying business model significantly influences how the algorithm operates. While the algorithm considers various factors such as likes, comments, and shares, watch time reigns supreme. A video with high watch time signals to the algorithm that it's engaging. Such videos are more likely to be promoted and recommended to a wider audience. This focus on watch time has a profound impact on the type of content that thrives on YouTube. However, this emphasis on watch time also raises concerns about sensationalized content and clickbait titles. The YouTube algorithm, with its intricate feedback loops, constant refinement, and unwavering focus on watch time, plays a significant role in shaping your online experience. It determines the videos you encounter, the creators you discover, and the information you consume. While the algorithm strives to provide a personalized and engaging experience, it's crucial to be aware of its limitations and potential biases. Understanding how the algorithm works empowers you to be a more conscious and critical consumer of online content. By diversifying your watch history, exploring content outside your comfort zone, and actively seeking out different perspectives, you can break free from the confines of the filter bubble. Engage with the algorithm as an informed participant, actively shaping your digital world rather than passively consuming what it presents. This awareness allows you to navigate YouTube with greater intention and curiosity. Open your YouTube homepage. What do you see? It's a carefully curated selection of videos, tailored specifically for you. The YouTube algorithm is at work, silently analyzing your every move, predicting your interests, and serving up content it thinks you'll love. Let's say you recently watched a video about electric cars. The algorithm picks up on this interest, noting the video's title, the channel you watched it on, and how long you stayed engaged. It might also factor in your past searches for Tesla or sustainable transportation. Armed with this information, the algorithm springs into action, transforming your homepage into a hub for all things electric vehicles. This personalized experience is the hallmark of the YouTube algorithm, designed to keep you engaged and coming back for more. Section 2. The power of suggestion. The YouTube algorithm influences your homepage and suggestions while watching a video. Up next, recommendations keep you glued to your screen. Imagine you're watching a tutorial on how to bake a chocolate cake. The algorithm anticipates your next move. It might suggest videos about frosting techniques or cake decorating ideas. These suggestions are based on your watch history and the video's content. The goal is to create a seamless viewing experience. A chain of captivating content keeps you entertained and engaged. This strategy can lead you down a rabbit hole of related content. When you turn to YouTube for specific information, the algorithm shifts gears, transforming from a content curator to an information retrieval system. It analyzes your search query, deciphering your intent, and scouring its vast database for the most relevant results. Let's say you're looking for instructions on how to change a tire. You type "change flat tire" into the search bar and hit enter. The algorithm immediately gets to work, analyzing your query and identifying keywords. It ranks videos based on title, description, tags, and engagement metrics. The goal is to provide you with the most helpful and accurate information possible. This sophisticated search functionality has made YouTube a go-to destination for tutorials and educational content. The YouTube algorithm shapes your entire experience on the platform. It creates a personalized ecosystem tailored to your interests and behavior. Watch photography videos? The algorithm suggests more, recognizing your passion. This leads to more personalized recommendations, deepening your engagement. It connects you with like-minded individuals, fostering a sense of community. The YouTube algorithm, for all its sophistication, is not immune to bias. It learns from the data it's fed. If that data reflects societal biases, the algorithm perpetuates them. This shapes our understanding and influences beliefs. Gender bias is one example. More engagement with male creators in tech or gaming leads the algorithm to favor these videos for men. Women see fewer recommendations, reinforcing stereotypes. Similarly, racial bias affects visibility. Less engagement with creators of color suppresses their visibility. The biases in the YouTube algorithm raise ethical concerns. Algorithms shape our perceptions and decisions, raising questions about fairness and manipulation. Filter bubbles limit exposure to diverse viewpoints. Echo chambers reinforce existing beliefs. Misinformation can spread, influencing elections and public health. While the YouTube algorithm presents challenges and raises ethical concerns, we are not passive consumers. By understanding the algorithm, we can shape our online experience. Diversify your viewing habits, seek different perspectives, and be critical of information. Enhance media literacy to separate fact from fiction. The YouTube algorithm is constantly evolving. Platforms like YouTube face pressure to address bias, misinformation, and ethical responsibility. Greater transparency is one potential improvement. Providing insight into the algorithm empowers users. Algorithmic accountability is crucial. Balancing personalization, diversity, engagement, and accuracy is key. The future lies in a more ethical and transparent system. The YouTube algorithm has fundamentally changed how we consume video content. It's a powerful tool, connecting us with niche interests and new creators, providing endless entertainment. However, it raises concerns about bias, filter bubbles, and misinformation. For creators, understanding the algorithm is crucial for success. It shapes content trends and influences what is deemed valuable. This raises questions about diversity and content homogenization. Valuable content may be overlooked if it doesn't fit the algorithm's parameters. The future of the YouTube algorithm lies in finding equilibrium, balancing personalization, diversity, engagement, and accuracy. As AI evolves, the algorithm will address biases and limitations. Greater transparency is crucial. Users need insight into the algorithm's decision-making. Understanding the algorithm helps break filter bubbles. Platforms must address ethical implications and promote diverse content. Identifying harmful content is crucial for a safer online environment. The YouTube algorithm has changed our relationship with online video. We must demand transparency and ethical considerations. The future of online video depends on balancing algorithm power and harm.